Hi everyone, in front of me I've got POCO Pad and let me share with you how to set the camera timer on this device. So let's start with opening the camera app. And currently we are in the standard photo mode, so we can open the options. So let's simply tap on this arrow at the top, and here we've got the timer, so let's tap. In this device we've got 4 different options, so simply tap on the option you'd like to use. In my case it is 10 seconds. So now we can, as you can see, it is notified right here, so we can simply tap on the shutter button, and from now on our device will count down from 10, 5 or 3, depending on which option you've chosen, and after that time it will simply take a photo. Alright, of course we can also turn off the timer. You can do it quickly just by tapping on this 10 seconds icon here and the timer will be off, or you can do it manually just by entering those options, tapping on timer and choosing this crossed out icon, and from now on your device will take photos right after touching the shutter button. Alright, so that will be all. Thank you so much for watching. Please hit the subscribe button and leave the thumbs up.